All right, we're back after spending an hour trying to find a socket.
Found it.
Joe found it. We're gonna get down in there again.
Okay. Hey, kitty. Got it.
I'm upside down here, people. That's all right, but it doesn't matter. Here we go.
It don't matter.
It don't matter nothing.
Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh my lord. Mate.
Yeah, we're gonna see how much muscle this is gonna take.
Boss house.
Oh, that is starting to move a little bit.
Okay. Now I think there's like one or two more over there I need to get to loosen, and then I can just rip them all off.
He's gonna grip it and rip it.
Rip it, baby.
Grip it. Let's look at this other side. Let's see how he's doing over here.
Rip it, rip.
Yeah, looks like we have a couple under there.
You got a couple?
Got a couple under there.
What do you mean a couple?
I think one.
Well, sir, one is only one. Yeah, this is the one that like just did not want to come. Hat, get it?
I got you.
Oh Lord, let's not even play around.
Joe is using physics to his advantage here.
Oh yeah, like this engine standing in my way. Okay. That's it, right?
That is it. I think.
Like, is there any more in there? There can't be, right? You say, if I take this off, well, the motor mounts are probably holding the rest of this thing in there.
That's what I was just gonna say. We still have the motor mounts.
Okay. Oh, this is the small bolt. It's gonna go on the bottom left side. We gotta make sure we put that in correctly.
Right, you want to hand that here? I will walk over and show the viewers us bagging and tagging.
Yeah, bag and tag! I'm gonna bag and tag it!
I'm gonna wrap this one up. So this is bottom left.
Bottom left, shorty.
I'm gonna make his own little bag here. We're gonna call it bottom left shorty.
Used to be my nickname in high school. They used to call me bottom left nut shorty.
Bottom left nut shorty?
Bottom left nut.
Are you sure it wasn't power bottom?
Power bottom left nut shorty.
I like it.
Oh, Lord. Here. Hey, honey pot. Grab this other little short bolt.
Left engine.
Here, these go together.
Left
Your bag
bottom.
is like left, right, bottom.
Left, right, bottom.
And a little plate. A dirty little plate.
Left, right, bottom. We have a dirty little plate here. Let's bag and tag this.
All right, big nut. Big nut's coming off.
Joe is now going to play with his big nut. We're going to see if I can get you over there, guys, fast enough. You see that one come off here. We're going to do a top-down view so you guys can see Joe down there.
Yeah, get me from the top. It's a good angle.
There's a lot of engine in the way, Joe.
Oh, come on. I want people to see my face.
Oh, we can move that out.
Hey! Okay, I think
we just got the motor mounts. All right, so I think we're probably going to stop.
That's it.
We're going to stop the video for a second. I think we're going to put it on the stand so you guys can see the motor mounts from the front come off.
We call this a stop and go.
So we're going to do a stop and go here, but that's going to be the one motor mount we're going to rip off there.